Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 336 and the Pemko 335. Different colors here. This is the D finish for dark bronze, and this is the A for mill aluminum. But these two pieces consist of an interlocking system of weather stripping, which will look very much just like this. And this video is to simply describe how the material will install as it relates to the door, its swing, and where you install it on the door. And what I mean to say is, simply, where you install the material on the hinge side of the door is different than where you would install the material on the header and on the strike jamb. Here is an illustration of how it must work. This material is only installed on the push side of the door. Okay? In my scenario, I'm standing on the exterior keyed push side. The 335 with this bird's mouth type reveal, when installed on the hinge side, is installed as follows. The material can only be installed with the L angle, the 336, on the jamb, and and the 335 on the face of the door, so that it literally looks like that. And when the door opens, that's how it connects, communicates, tightens up. Now, on the header, you can't have that sort of installation because it wouldn't work. And it's the same on the hinge, on the strike side. You simply invert the pieces where the 335 will be mounted to the stop, and the 336 is mounted to the face of the door. Okay, so you get the concept of how that works. It will close and then nest right into its area. And this is the condition for the strike and the header. But when we get over here, we can't have that same scenario because it'll never open, because the relief of the bird's mouth prep is not conducive to allow that to pivot, so you simply invert the material and solve the problem that way. If you have any questions on the installation and application of the Pemko 335 and 336, or any other Pemko material, let us know. We'll be happy to help. This material is available in only the mill finish and the dark bronze. Obviously, I have one of each to show you what the different finishes look like. But of course, when you ordered a set, you would get them in the same color. If you have any questions on this or any other Pemko item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.